Hi guys, today we'll show you how we did the installation of the rear dash cam in 2020 Volvo XC40. As you can see, we use this panel in the rear hedge door to do the installation. We use two strong magnets. You can partially see one of them on this side, and there is one more on the other side. This way you can easily remove the dash cam and disconnect it and hide it if you want, or take it home. For this we used this type of magnet. I will leave the link for that in the description. Because Volvo has this 12-volt outlet, it makes the installation very simple and plug and play, which means you don't have to cut into any wires. Besides that, you have this opening in the back of the trunk where you can put your hand, and this will help you as well when you pull the wires through. So the wire goes through here, goes underneath the liner, then goes through this boot and reaches our camera. So overall installation is not too complicated. Right now we'll take off these panels and show you guys in more details how it looks. Okay guys, so as you see, this is our super magnet. You can use double-sided tape that comes with the magnet, but we used so you can use this tape, but we decided to use the regular scotch because it creates less gap between two magnets from both sides. So how it works I will show you right now. To remove it properly from the stock you have to slide it to the left or to the right. It's not so easy. So that is how it works. And they are so strong that actually could pinch your skin very easy. I'm not exaggerating anything. It's so hard to remove it. You see? So be careful. Yeah, you see, I was not careful enough. So as you see, that is how it works. And it does hold it very well. So let's talk about the cable. To push it through this boot, you have to find the proper fishing wire. As you see, it's moving pretty easily
the diameter of this rubber sleeve big enough, and another part goes under headliner up to this point. So very easy, as you see. Very easy to reach by hand, and installation itself was painless. So that is how it looks like underneath of the plastic panel. So when magnet is attached, we will start back assembly. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 metal spring pins that could interfere, by the way, with these wires, so be careful during the installation. Okay, this one has only 1, 2, 3 and plastic anchor. So this is the one anchor. Yeah, this side a little bit tricky because of the anchor and the another plastic